Commanders morning. Bafethu, it is now clear which we are on our own as MK party. We need a two-third majority. That's the only way we are going to get rid of the ANC. Okay, 50% plus, yes, but a two-third majority is the only way we are going to get rid of the ANC. Because we won't get, even if we get 51%, we won't get support a parliament from abantu abafana ne-EFF, because we were hoping that EFF is on our side. It's fine, ANC, TA, IFP can be together in Action SA, but nothing EFF, at least even if we get 50% plus, EFF is there to add, but it's clear now. Julius useshilo wathi ANC menga shota. Shuthu Julius vele uyazi ukuthi EFF ayilweli ukuwina. Ilwela ukusupport. Why? Because they are there to disturb, not necessarily to lead. Uthi bona bazoyinika iANC amavoti uma ngabe iANC ingatholi 50%. So abalandeli be-EFF, when they vote, they will be voting for ANC. Lethi nesifuna ukuyikhipha. Just like abalandeli be-IFP, they will be voting for ETA. Le DA le ezovota neni ezohlangana nayo iANC kaRamaphosa. So it is clear ukuthi we need to work hard, because sele nabo ACT, sele nabo ATM, sele nabo BLF, nabo AZAP, amaqembu amancane wonke lawo. So bafethu mina ngizokuveza lokho ukuthi kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi sinxenxe nabantu esiphila nabo, nabantu esihlala nabo, ukuthi masiyovota ngomhla ka-29 May sivotele iqembu lethu, because kuyabonakala. Yakhumbula kuthiwa Zuma must fall, kuhlangene bono EFF, wonke lamaqembu ehlangene, Service A bekhipha umsholozi. It was not because they were fighting for us. It was because they are fighting for WMC. That's why even now, the EFF, ngokuba khona kwe-MK, ukuba i-MK ibingekho, besingeke siyazi lento. But ngokuba khona kwe-MK, EFF yabona ukuthi, not ukuthi yabona okanye they've been told ukuthi you need to be aligned ne-ANC nina. Because now i-MK izochitha uhlelo manje, izosiphazamisa. Yini kumele ibalance i-ANC ngemva kwe-29 ukuze izobuyela emandleni. So it's obvious. I-ANC lesihlala sikhala ngayo ngokuthi iphethwe Stellenbosch. The EFF wants to make sure ukuthi they remain in power, but bafuna ukuthi nabo bezodla ngokuthi kungene ushibambo. So bafethu ngizoncenga mina ukuthi abafethu be-MK nabazovotela MK ningavoti njengokuthi mina la ekhaya yimi engizovotela MK. Khuluma nabantu bakini ukuthi bafethu mangabe no5 no6 bafethu ngicela ukuthi sivotele MK. Uyibeke izathu zizwakala ukuthi kungani. Uyazazi nawe inkinga enibhekene nazo ekhaya lakini. Yabona. So bafethu ile into engizoyicela bafethu. EFF isiyikhiphile vele, ayihambisani noshintsho. I-EFF ayifuni ukuthi abantu abamnyama bakhululeke okwangempela. So yilokho bengizokucela ngandza kwethu, ngiyabonga.